Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video Envato Elements we are going to review graphic design templates. So I'm gonna show you what type of graphic designs we have and how you can use those graphic cards in your business. And we have a huge list of these categories like print templates, product mockups, websites, UX and UI kits, infographics, logos, and scene generators. So don't skip the video. So please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel so you will not miss any latest video updates. So let's get started this video. So first of all, we will review some print templates. With print templates, you have some flyers, you have a brand, like you have if you want to print out any design, or if you want like wallpaper, if you want to print so first of all, we will review print templates. In print templates, we have, as you can see, we have a Mother's Day flyer, brand guideline templates, brand guidelines, and we have a brochure, InDesign magazine, business cards, newspaper template, resume. You can use different types of print templates with Envato Elements. So let me show you here Mother Day flyer. So as you can see, that nice beautiful design we have here, and this will provide you one PSD high quality file with one AI file. And as you can see, this is a requirement. We have Adobe CS5 Plus, and you can see for the colors ready to print, as this is ready to print template, flyer size is A4. So this template is ready to print. As this is Mother Day flyer, if you don't like this design, if you looking for other design, you can scroll down to similar graphic templates and you will find out more beautiful designs here, or you can click here see more, and this will give you bunch of options to choose your design from. Let's check out product mockups. In product mockups, you can create mockups of different e-commerce products. So let me show you. Let me scroll down here. For example, let me pick any mockup example, as this is Valentine Day mockup Photoshop. As you can see, they have beautiful frames, and this is a card, and they have different frames here. As you can see, 3 photo mockups. You will get 3 photo mockups. File include PSD file, which is compatible with Adobe Photoshop, and you have a color mode RGB. Every information you will get here. Let's check out some other graphics we have here. We have a website templates as well, website designs as well. As you can see, elegant Instagram post, if you want to design your Instagram post, and this will be perfect for you. As you can see, present your content in elegant and highly impressive way to surprise your audience. You will able to use these graphics in your Instagram post. When you scroll down, you will see again, as you can see, this one, 10 Instagram stories template pack. This will give you 10 different stories template for your social media, for your Instagram. Okay, let's go to next list we have here, UX and UI kits. As you can see, we have a website wireframe kit, dashboard builder, promotion Instagram, Figma, UX flow chart card, complete web and mobile UI icons. Let me click here, and this will give you 200 plus icons, and 100% vector icons, 2 version, color version and black version. Elegant and minimal design, perfect for iOS, Android and web. So you can use these mobile UI icons for your projects. And we have logo option. In the logo you have a logo kits, logo creation kit, 100 Photoshop layer style bundle, which you can use to build your logo, beautiful logo. As you can see, we have a 3D different types of designs, and this will also give you sample PSD file, detailed and layered, as you see in each review. When you scroll down, you will see product included. These are the things you will get in your pack. Let's check out some other options we have for the logos. We have G letter logo. If you have a company or business starting your first letter, business letter, you can create your first letter logo with the help of this Z logo. If your business start from Z, you can pick this Z letter logo, and it will give you different file included, different features, font used, all the information. And this is 100% free for commercial use. And if you don't like any design, you can scroll down to every design and you will find more designs. Yeah, as you can see, this is the A logo. If your business starting from A letter, and this logo template will be perfect for you. If you not like this, scroll down. As you can see, more you have a more A letter logo templates, or you can click see more and you will find use list of such alphabet logos. Letter U with arrow and logo, letter U, letter C, letter Z, and you have a beautiful logo options here. Or you also can filter it. Choose logo, choose downside for the color. If you're looking for RGB, select RGB. Orientation, landscape, portrait, what landscape orientation you're looking for, just select that one. And logo should be supported with Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. You can choose different option and it will give you result right away. And let me check if what other options we have. We have scene generators. If you want to generate any scene of your product, MacBook mockup, you can create different mockups, product mockups, with help of these scene generators. As you can see, we have a big flex here, and you can generate the flex board or the screen mockups. You have a lot. When you scroll down, you will see other relevant results here. So I think this will be good enough for you. If you're looking different designs for your business, like a business card, then you have to go through graphic designs. Or for the business card, you can also, let me find here, graphic templates. Yeah, graphic templates or graphic templates, graphics. In the graphics, when you go to in the graphics, you have graphic options. You can choose. Let me go to WordPress, CM. You have a pretty nice options here. Or you can also search in the search result business card, and you will find the results right way here, business cards, and you will find a lot of options for the business cards. any design for the business card you like, just you can choose and you can start designing your business card right away. For example, this business card, I really like the design, and what it included for features. We have a card size, we have a high resolution. This is, I really love it. The resolution is very high, which give you more clarity, and include 4 PSD file, help me file, which in case you need help with creating design, you will find help guide also. So I hope you like this video. If you are looking for any business template or graphic templates, you can visit Envato Elements. You will find link in description, and definitely you will get nice discount. They also have option to get unlimited downloads, which in according me is really nice option. In you will able to download unlimited graphic templates, other stuff as well. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.